Welcome to this video on how to use our new price book updater, which basically allows you to get the full functionality of Zoho CRM price books. So in this video, we're just going to run through very quickly how it works. So basically, most people that use Zoho CRM know that Zoho CRM has a price books module. And you can access the price books module by clicking on the price books here, and then you can create price books. And basically the way price books work is that you can associate a bunch of products within your products module to it, and you can set special pricing for it. So you can see here the normal unit price is $5.50 for this, but the list price in here is $4.95 for this price book. Now, to utilize that to actually associate, say, that price to a quote or a sales order or an invoice, you need to select each item. So I'll just simulate that now. So what we'll do is we'll just come in here and we'll go to quotes. Just open up a quote and then we'll do a new quote. Okay, and we'll just go test price books, and we need to select for an account, so we'll just use, say, this one here. Now, if we want to, say, select, I know one that's in that price book. If we want to select that price, well, you'll see that that's $1.20. If we want to update that price from a price book, what we need to do is click this little tag here. We need to click that, and we need to select the price book that we want it to be associated to. So if you see, I did that, and then that changed it to $130. Well, if I want to add more rows, I need to do that for every item. So if I come here and I go there, and I want to update the price of that to the price list, I've got to select this again. Okay, so I don't have to do that for everyone. So if I've got a quote that's got 20, 30 items in, that could take a long time. Well, our price book updater fixes that problem and allows you to get much more effectiveness out of the price books module that exists within inside Zoho CRM. So let me show you how that works. So let's just close that down. All right, now if we go, what I've done here is I've basically started creating a quote, and you can see I've created this quote for this account here, Liberty Hotel, and I've called it new quote, and I've added some products here. All right, now just before I go and run it, as you can see, this is for this account. Well, let me just go into that account. So what I'll do is I'll come into here and I'll go into accounts, and then there's that account there. Now you can see that this account is associated to this price book, test price books, okay? So if I click that and open that up, then there's that price book, and it has all of these items associated to it. So just to go over that again, to run our tool, all you need to do once you've installed it is to associate an account to the price book that you want it associated to. And then when you do the quote, so now we'll jump into the quote. You can see here I've got the quote, and these are all the list prices. Okay, so this is what's out of the price book as standard. Okay, now if I wanted to, I could update that by clicking that button, but that would be very slow because I'd need to do that for every one of these, all right? So basically all I need to do to update these prices to match the test book price list, I just save that quote. And then I come to our button here and click update price list. And there you go. 4 items were successfully updated. So I can close that. Price will refresh, and you'll notice that all of the pricing has changed. If we now compare these prices to the price book, we can see that, where is that? Broken glass removal is $4.95. You can see that emergency clean is $2.99 there. Window cleaning is $3. Window cleaning soap is $3, and 1 hour full service clean is $130. There we go, $3. And let's just find that. Where is it? Right in front of me. There it is there. Okay. So as you can see, all of this has been updated and now we can send that quote to the customer. So basically, yeah, that's it. Again, just to recap, what our Price Book Updater button does is basically if you associate, once you install the button, you'll then have this lookup field installed in your accounts module. If you associate each account to different price books, then when you create a quote and you select the standard items, what will go here first is the standard list pricing, which comes from the products module. Okay. Um, and then once you've selected the items that you want to quote that particular customer and you want to then update all of those prices to match the associated price book, then all you need to do is click that button there, and then the prices here, the list prices here will be updated to match the corresponding price book. All right. And so you can also see that if you now go into the price book, you can see the accounts that are associated to this price book. All right. So you could have multiple accounts associated to one price books, or you could have one account associated to one price book. So a good example of this might be, let's say you're quoting on councils, and you've got a council price list. So what you can do is create that price list and then associate that to all of your council accounts. Let's say you're working on a project deal for a big customer and you want to give them specific pricing. You can create a price book that's basically relevant or associated to them only, and then associate that price book to them as an account in their accounts record, and then whenever you create a quote, you can use that pricing. So there's lots of great ways to use price books. It's just a bit ineffective in the way that Zoho CRM does it right now, but with our price book updaters, it makes it very quick and easy to. So it's a great way for you to maintain pricing and to ensure that all of your salespeople are quoting the correct prices to the proper customer. So yeah, that's it. If you've got any questions, you can find the Price Book Updater available in the Zoho Marketplace. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to provide any guidance and any other questions you have regarding Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.